Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making caramelized onions. These onions are easily one of the most deliciously sweet and versatile thing you can make with just few ingredients. You will need onions, butter, salt, red wine vinegar, and olive oil. Also, a bit of time to make perfectly sweet and golden onions. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. First things first, we're gonna start slicing our onions. Keep in mind guys, thinly sliced onions will burn faster and stick to the bottom of your pan. Always aim to cut your onions 1/8 inch thick. Also, onions are full of sugar, so cooking them at high temperature can cause them to burn. The slower you cook them down, the more uniform the caramelization process is. Set your burner to low and take your time. Start with sliced onions and shimmering olive oil in a saute pan on medium-high heat. Let onions cook slowly, don't rush them. The whole process will take 20 to 30 minutes from start to finish. Add salt. The salt will season onions, but it will also help pull out some of the moisture and move the process right along. Let onions cook slowly, don't rush them. Continue stirring the onions. Once the onions stick to the bottom of the pan, deglaze with a tablespoon of red wine vinegar. The flavor complements the onions perfectly. Not only will deglazing pull up tasty sticky bits, it will add even more flavor to your caramelized onions. Continue stirring the onions until they reach the color you like. Guys, there you have it guys, caramelized onions. They are perfect addition to many dishes and are often used as a base flavor for things like soups, casseroles, and of course perfect for topping hamburgers, pizzas, grilled cheese, you name it guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends and your family. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey.